Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare some flavorful rice. It is packed with a lot of flavor, as the name says it all. It is very fluffy and it tastes great too. So I hope you will join me in my kitchen, and if you're new here, please remember to tap the subscribe button before you leave. Also turn on your post notification bell so you not miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get cooking. So I am going to be using my Dutch pot. As Jamaicans, we love our Dutchie. So to that I added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use whichever oil of your choice. So I like to use a heavy bottom pan to do rice in. So I'm not going to prepare a lot, so this size pot is just fine for me. So as I said earlier, you can use whichever oil of your choice. So I am going to be adding 1 minced garlic clove to the heated oil. I'm doing this on a very low flame because I don't want the garlic to burn. Afterwards, I am going to add 2 chopped scallions. Saute them for about a minute. I am not going to be using any white onion for this recipe. I will be using some onion powder. So here I'm just going to add some fresh thyme. Afterwards I'm going to saute it for about few seconds. Afterwards I'm going to continue to add the ingredients. Now I will be adding a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper. This type of pepper has a lot of heat. I don't like the heat, guys, but you can add the pepper to your taste. So here I'm just tossing it around in the pan so that it can develop some flavor. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. The all-purpose seasoning is to just add a little flavor, nicer flavor to it. Also, it gives it a little nice color. Each ingredient I add into the pot, I stir it very well. Add ½ teaspoon of onion powder. If you like, you could add white onion instead of the onion powder. ¼ teaspoon black pepper. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. So here I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more salt if you like, but remember guys, the all-purpose season has salt already. So here I'm adding some rice that I washed. It is about 4 cups. So with the water in the pot, guys, I did not realize that I did not strain all the water from the rice, so sorry about that. So this is the size cup that I used. It is 8 ounces or 240 milliliters. So I'm just going to use a wooden spoon to stir it very well. I'm doing this on a medium flame. So I'm going to stir the rice for about 2 minutes so that it can develop some flavor with the seasoning before I add the water. Ensure that during the 2 minutes you stir the rice because you don't want it to stick to the pot. So I am going to be adding enough water to cover the rice. It is about 3 cups of water, the size cup that I showed you. After you add the water, stir it very well, because I realized that some of my rice started to stick to the side. So what I'm doing here is just use a spoon to scrape it out. So there you have it, guys. My flavored rice is all done. As you can see, guys, it is very fluffy. It smells so good, guys. There is a lot of flavor bursting right now. My kitchen smells so good, guys. This is packed with a lot of flavors, and you can also add pimento seeds. I forgot to say that in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like this video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also tap the subscribe button if you haven't yet done so, and if you're new here, a special welcome to you. Also comment, as I love to hear from you, and please do share this video with others. Let them know about Tamara's recipe, and I will see you in my next video.